Gold features. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in NUGT. We're approaching two oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we have dipped into NUGT territory. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in NUGT as well. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $162.69. My stop target is at $169.15. My stop loss is at $160.59. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $171.31, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $164.85, and my stop loss is at $173.52. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, a 25% chance to climb between 3 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.